Welcome to the Magic Book reading episodes brought to you by Shweta Online. Join me for inspiration and insights. Hello, beautiful souls. I am back again with my life for today. Today is day 7. Yes? So, how did you like the intro video? I have just learned it today. And as this was my it's not the paid version of StreamYard, it's the free one. But I tried my best to add some element to my life. So, hello, beautiful souls. This is Shweta again from Shweta Online Business Page, welcoming you all to day 7 of the Magic Journey. Over the past 6 days, you have cultivated gratitude for our blessings, relationships, health, money, and finally, yesterday was work. Today, I would like to focus on something equally important, letting go of negativity and creating space for joy, peace, and positivity. Rhonda Byrne calls this chapter the magical way of negativity. She reminds me that negativity blocks the flow of happiness. That's so true. Success and abundance. But gratitude is the key that dissolves it. So let's begin with our day 7. The practice to release negativity, day 7. Negativity shows up as frustration, anger, resentment, worry, or self doubt. Rhonda teaches that instead of fighting it, we should replace it with gratitude. And there's a simple step by step practice to replace the negativity with gratitude. Step one, identify one negative thought, feeling, or situation from your day. It could be an argument, stress, disappointment, or worry. The step number 2, ask yourself what is good in it, or what can I be grateful for in this situation. Even small things count, like a lesson learned, patience gained, or a small solution dissolved. Step number 3, write it down or say it aloud. Thank you for this situation because it is helping me grow, learn, and become stronger. Step number 4, feel the shift in your energy. When gratitude replaces negativity, your mind, body, and spirit lighten up. That is so very true. So, the final one, so through this lesson of step of day 7, the situation may not change immediately, but your perspective transforms, opening the door to solutions, peace, and happiness, which is matters you the most. In my digital business journey, I have noticed that challenges or misunderstandings often arise. The moment I consciously choose gratitude over frustration, I feel lighter, make better decisions, and attract the right people and opportunities. So, viewers, that's the end of I'm towards the end of today's live. So, towards the end of today's live. So, today, let's release all negativity with gratitude. Take one negative thought or feeling from your day and transform it with thank you, because gratitude is not just for good moments, it's the antidote for every challenge. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me today. I have repeated this word thank you three times because it creates an echo effect and that spreads in the universe and creates, and it's magical. See you tomorrow for day 8 of the magic moment. Till then, stay blessed, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye bye for now.